class, for today we will discuss the logarithmic function inequalities and equation. Definition: a logarithmic equation is an equation involving logarithmics. Objective: distinguish logarithmic function, logarithmic equation, and logarithmic inequality. So, we will proceed to activity. How A, B, and C are similar and how they are different. So, mapapansin natin dito sa A and C ay gumamit sila ng equal sign. And sabi naman ay gumamit siya ng greater than 2. So, yun yung magkakaiba nila sa A and C sa B. And mapapansin din natin dito sa AB ay gumamit lang siya ng 1 variables. And sa C naman, gumamit siya ng 2 variables which is the X and Y. And punta tayo sa una nating lesson, logarithmic equation. An equation involving logarithmic, and example is log 2 equals to 4 base of X. Pag logarithmic equation class, meron siyang equal sign. And gumamit din siya ng 1 variables which is the X. And pag logarithmic equation class, we can solve the X to satisfy the given equation or the logarithmic equation. And next is logarithmic inequalities. An inequality involving logarithmic. And example is ln(x squared) less than or greater than ln(x squared). So, pag sinabi natin logarithmic inequalities class, meron tayong apat dito. Less than, greater than, less than to equal, or greater than to equal. And ginamitan din natin siya ng 1 variables. And pag, ang keyword natin dyan class, para hindi na kayo mahirapan, sa logarithmic inequalities, meron natin siyang gagamitan siya ng apat na ito. Yang apat na yan. Pag nakita natin yan, tulad nito, ginamitan siya ng greater than. Ang sagot natin dyan ay logarithmic inequalities. And lastly class, meron tayong logarithmic function. Function of the form f of x equals to log x base of b. b greater than 0b not equal to 1. Example, g of x equals to log x base of 3. Sa g of x natin, pinalitan natin siya ng y. And y equal to log x base of 3. So, dito class, kakaiba siya sa logarithmic equation and logarithmic inequalities because meron siyang 2 variable which is the x and y. And also, ginamitan natin siya ng equation, yung equal sign. So, dito class, pag logarithmic function, ang tatandaan lang natin dito ay 2 variables. And pwede din siyang gamitan ng equal sign. And meron ako ditong determine whether the given is a logarithmic function, a logarithmic equation, a logarithmic inequality, or none of this. Number 1 is f of x equals to log x base of 5. Ang sagot natin dyan ay logarithmic function because of 2 variables in the equal sign and meron siyang logarithmic expression. And number 2 is x equals to 2 log x and base of 4. So, sabi nga, tulad nga sabi ko sa logarithmic function kanina, yung g of x, f of x, and h of x, pinalitan natin siya ng y. So, andito siya sa ating example. So, ang sagot natin dito ay walang iba ay logarithmic function because of y, and ginamitan siya ng equation and meron din siya ng log expression. So, number 3 is log 4x equals to negative log 3x plus 5. So, dito, sa ating number 3, ginamitan natin siya ng equal sign. And meron din naman siya ng logarithmic expression. So, wala nang ibang sagot dyan ay, kung walang iba ay logarithmic equation. because sa equal sign. And number 4 is x log of 2x equals to 1 less than to 0. So, makikita natin sa number 4, ginamitan natin siya ng greater or less than to 0. So, wala nang ibang magiging sagot dyan, kundi logarithmic inequalities. Because, itong sign na ito. So, class, sa number 5, log x minus 3 equals to log 4. So, obvious naman yung magiging sagot dyan because meron siyang logarithmic expression and also meron siyang equation or equal sign. So, nasabi ko na yung sagot because the sagot is equation. Logarithmic equation. So, sa number 6, log x base 4 equals to log 4 base of 4. So, dito class, alam naman na natin yung magiging sagot dyan. Kasi nga, isa lang variable natin and ginamitan din siya ng equal sign. So, tulad nga sabi ko sa kanina, yung unang diniscuss ko sa logarithmic equation, gagamitan siya ng equal sign. So, andito siya sa ating given number. So, wala nang ibang sagot dyan kundi ang logarithmic equation. Class. So, number 7 is log of x base of 4 greater than 2 equal to 0. So, tulad ng number 4, ginamitan natin siya ng greater than. So, dito greater than 2. So, wala nang ibang magiging sagot dyan kundi logarithmic inequalities. Dahil sa symbol na ito class. So, lastly, sa ating tatalakayin or sa ating example ngayong araw na to class ay number 8. G of x equals to log of x equals to 1 base of 8. So, dito class, ginamitan natin siya ng 2 variables. So, nabanggit natin kanina, discuss natin kanina sa tatlong logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequalities, and logarithmic function ang 2 variables. Which is, ang sagot natin dyan ay logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. Because the symbol of equal sign and g of x. So, kaya din siya nasabing logarithmic function dahil ginamitan natin siya ng 2 variables. Yun lamang class. So, sana naintindihan nyo ang different ng ating diniscuss kanina na different ng logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequalities, and logarithmic function. So, ang tatandaan lang natin sa logarithmic equation class, meron siyang equal, simple, and ginamitan natin siya ng 1 variables. And sa logarithmic inequalities class, meron siyang greater than, less than, greater than to equal, and less than to equal. So, ginamitan din natin siya dyan ng greater than. So, meron siyang 1 variables. Yun yung pagkakaiba ng equation and sa inequalities. And sa kakaiba sa kanilang dalawa ay ang logarithmic function because ginamitan natin siya ng 2 variables which is yung x and y. And ginamitan natin siya also ng equation. Yun yung equal sign. So, yun yung pinagkakaiba ng tatlong diniscuss natin kanina na class. And sana and I hope na maintindihan nyo at naintindihan nyo ang aking tinalakay kanina. At yun lamang po. And yun lamang class.